Hello guys, today we are at Orangeville Drive Test Center. We are going to go to Orangeville G Test Route. They have three different routes now in Orangeville. We are going to go all these routes one by one. And after that, if you have any questions, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965. Okay, let's go to Orangeville G Test Route number 1. They have three routes here, so let's go to the route number 1 first. You park your car here in the parking lot, then the examiner will tell you take a right here. So we'll take a right here, look around everywhere, no one is here. Just keep your car on the right side here. In the left side, there's the cars are coming from the opposite side, and sometimes they're taking the the truck road test here too. So be careful about that. And just look around, keep on looking on the sides, keep on looking back mirror, look on the sides here. Next stops in either they will tell you to take left or right. And we'll take a right here. In the route number 1 and 2, I will take you right only. Yes, stop here, complete stop first. Yeah, then go a little bit more further ahead. Check carefully both sides. Everywhere no one is coming, it's clear. I'll take a right here. And speed limit is 40 here. In these streets, speed limit is 40. And we'll take a left from the next traffic light. That's a highway. Mirror, signal, blind spot, MSB, look back and go to that lane. And we'll take a left from this traffic light. It's written here 40 ends. It's 40 ends here, and it will be 80 on the highway here. Yeah, we'll take left here, look around. We'll take left in the first lane here. Speed up, go up to 70-80, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then change it to right. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to right. And then examiner will tell you here a couple of times when it's safe to do so, change it to left and come back to right lane. Look around everywhere, everything is good. Yeah, look around in the intersection. Here also they will tell you a couple of times, change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to right. Speed limit is 80 here, keep it between 75 to 80. And in route number 1, I'm going to take you to straight. And the route number 2, I will, from this traffic light, I will take you to left. See, it's written here, 60 is coming ahead. It's not 60 here yet, it's still 80 here. And we'll go straight here, look around both sides. In the route number 2, I will take you left from this traffic light. And it's going to be 60 start here. 60 begins here. Yeah, it's a 60 here now. Yeah, always keep on looking around. People going fast, no problem. You don't have to exceed the speed limit. Keep between 55 to 60. Don't exceed speed limit. And here also examiner will tell you when it's safe to do so, change it to left. Mirror, signal, blind spot, change it to left. Sometimes some examiners they take left also here too, but we'll take the next one. We are going to the same place only. If you take left here, you will come around and come to back to this side. If you go left from the next traffic light, you will come back here only. It's the same thing. You are going to the same place. Check both sides in the intersection. Still speed limit is 60. Don't exceed speed limit. Look back, mirror every 5 seconds. Next traffic light, we will take left. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Put the left indicator. Look back. Go to the left turn lane. And we'll go left here. It's a Dufferin Road 16. Check anyone coming in our way. No one is coming. Everything is clear. We will take left here. And it's written here now 50 begins. 50 kilometer begins. Right? It's a 50 here then. And watch carefully this pedestrian, dog, everything. Be careful, okay? And from the next street, they will tell you to take a left there. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Go to the left lane. It's called Kingfisher Drive. And check anyone coming from the opposite side. No one is coming. Yeah, we can take a left here. Yeah. And Look around. It's a community area, so be careful. Go a little slow here. Certainly, slow down also. Slow down a little bit because cars are coming from immediately from the community, right? So be careful around here. Next stop sign is a always stop sign. It's not written there always, but it is a always stop sign. Your left indicator. See, stop sign is all the four sides. It's not written here, but it is a always stop sign. Stop completely. Where the first one, we will go left. See, speed limit is 40 here. Maintain 40 only. Next traffic light, we will take a right. But if you bring you inside from this traffic light, they will go around and come back the way we came in. So red light, first thing is stop your car here completely. Complete stop, red light. Then go a little further ahead, check anyone coming. Yes, one car is coming. You have to wait for this car. And then turn right here. And when you turn right here, see it's written here speed limit is 60. So it's 60 here. So then again examiner will tell you to when it's safe to do so, change it to left and come back to right lane. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left and change back to right. Mirror signal blind spot and change back to right. Speed limit is still 60 here, maintain 60 only. And then next traffic light will take a right. Take a right from the first traffic light, and when you take a right here, it's a yield sign there. So if anybody coming from any side, you have to stop for them. See yield sign here. Yeah, no one is coming, we can go right here. No one is here. Yeah, we can go. And speed limit is 50 here. And this is one lane become a two lane, come to the right lane automatically. Mirror signal blind spot, go to the rightmost lane. For this lane change, examiner won't tell you. You have to do by yourself. Speed limit is 50 here. Yeah. Check both sides in the intersection. And then examiner will tell you again, change it to left. Mirror signal blind spot, change it to left. Yeah, keep it here. And not this traffic light, next traffic light will take a left. Yeah, check both sides in the intersection. Will take a left here. It's a 5th Avenue, and be careful. This intersection is very like enter left turn lane is very small. Be careful here. Enter from here only. Cars are coming from the opposite side. We'll keep in the middle here. Wait for these cars. Yeah. Now it's clear to go. Yeah. I will just turn left here. First traffic light, we will take a right. In the route number 2, I will take you straight from this traffic light. In route number 1, I will take you right from this traffic light. Right. Yeah, so light is red now. We will stop here. In route number 2, they will take straight. Check, they are coming. Red light, we have to stop completely. See, no one is coming now. We can take a right. Yep. And let's say exit 40 begins, maintain 40 only. Keep in the right side. And this next stop sign, we will take a left. Yeah, stop sign. First stop completely. Stop here completely. No one. Yeah, we can take left. They will tell you to go inside the parking lot. We'll take right here, right indicator, look around, take right and keep on the right side here, because cars are coming from the opposite side, and sometimes they're taking truck tests here, so be careful about that one. Also, don't disturb them. If the examiner is telling you to stop somewhere because of they're taking truck tests, just like look for their hand. They will tell you to stop, maybe you have to wait some time. Okay, and then you go straight, and then they will tell you to park somewhere on the right side, and they tell you to park anywhere on the right side, mirror, signal, blind spot, and then park here. Then the examiner will tell you, congratulations, you meet the ministry standard today, and you pass your test, and you get your license from inside. Congratulations. I hope you enjoy this video about the G Test route in Orangeville. If you still have any question, you can call me anytime at 416-275-3965.